Airplane Story. After an exciting vacation trip, you and a group of 8 to 15 more friends are taking a relaxing airplane ride back home. There is nothing that could possibly go wrong, right?
Hello guys, ako nga pala si Elben and today maglalaro nga pala tayo ng Airplane Story. Bago nga pala tayo magsimula, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click nyo na rin ang bell at mag-like para masuportahan nyo at magawa pa ako ng gentong tipong video. Let's go! Tayo. Pwede dito, 2 players. Iba, tatlo sila dun, ba 2 players? Wait. Hello guys, nag-book na nga pala ako ng flight. Let's go! Uy, kamukha kami, kasi kulay red lang mukha niya. Uy, ang dami namin. Nice. Baka inabahan ako, baka mapindot ko yung record. Anyways. Hello guys, andito na nga pala ako sa flight. Let's go! H14. Nasaan yung ano ko? Nasaan yun? 14. Nasa dulo. Pangit. Pangit ang seat ko. Ito, katabi ko to. Sino man to? Basta ito na yung seat ko. Wait, alisin ko na to.
Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 7869. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving on time to our destinations. Let's go! Feel free to explore the airplane.
Ayo. Alam ko may nabubosan to. Hindi, sayang. Para saan yan? Para walang kwenta.
Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence.
Yun yung kumukha ko. Kulay red. Nasa harapan ko lang pala siya. Meron. Uy, angas na ano mo. Kamukha niya yung nasa shirt niya. Siya ata yan si Katatati. Yun na yun.
Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
Tingnan nyo, may parang tingnan mo, parang teddy bear's eyes.
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy!
Wait lang, tignan ko. Ang weird na ito men, parang ayoko nan. Para sa sakit mura ako dyan sa sandwich nyo. Siguro lason yun. Or lason nata yun. Kasi halata. Uy. Ano kasi pangalan? TOEIC 2014.
I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo!
Oh na, sabi ni. Pero siguro siya lang allergic dun. Kasi
Oh no! Quickly! We need to find TOEIC's 2014 Purple Force Package for Medicine. Look in package stories above you.
let's go. Uy, kailangan natin siya i-save. Bilisan nyo. Go, go, go. Sabay sa kanya yun, hindi. Go, go, go. Mamamatay siya, man. Kailangan natin madami. Ayun o, Toy KO. I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. Ikamukha ko din to. Same here. Tapos same Pew.
That was a close one.
Okay, I have time to sit. So, ikamukha ko. Naka-red. Ano ka? Mali.
Good afternoon to all passengers. I'm for we reach unstable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back.
Sige. Ayaw mag-sit. Uy, sit. Sit. Yan. Ay, gabi na.
Good night, passengers.
Look, kakagising ko lang eh.
Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
Let's stretch our legs. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Uy, nyari. Uy, di ako yun ah. Porket tumalon ako.
It appears that we've lost energy.
Uy, ano yun? Uy, may multo. Oh ma, golay. Oh ma, golay. Tignan guys yung multo. Guys, look. Ay, di ko nabasa.
That.
Ba't yan yung pangalan niya? Question mark? All question mark. Oh my gulays, you will not survive. Nana. Are those snakes? Oh no. Uy, puting snake. Oh no. Meron din dun. Ay, bro, we need to go here. Para di tayo na snake. Uy, tika mukha ko. Same haircut. Kasi mas mapati siya sa akin. Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay. Hey. Guys, there's an open restroom. Saan ito? Tayo na ako guys. Oy, umalis kayo na tayo! Wala na. Anong klaseng ano to? Tignan naman paano pa-flash yan? Sakit yan sa likod na yun. Tingin mo paano ipa-flash yan? Ayun na, tignan nyo. Tsaka, ano dapat? Hindi namatay. Oh, that was scary. We should discuss what
The heck is happening?
passenger. Ba't may passenger sa kanya? Ako din ah. Uy, ano yun? Yung may floating tomato. Ay, ano yun? Ano yun? Uy, akin yan. Hindi naman ako bawas, pero sitingin ko sa mga bawas lang. Kasi pangalan yan, SB. Dah, matulog na naman karaplo ko. Andito na pala. Tika mukha ako, lagi ko nakikita, nababatip na kasi power is back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Yeah, we should always thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Ninja King 99X? No, ninja pala to eh. Masa na yun?
Your attention, passengers. I have a good news and bad news.
Oh no. Good news and bad news. Ano kaya yun?
The good news is the power is back up.
Oh, alam namin. Ano yung bad news?
The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. No, mask will drop from over your seats. Take one, quick.
Oy, akin to. Okay, I don't care. Bahala na kayo dyan. Mag-agaw-agawan kayo ng isa yung mga oxygen, something like that. Uy, i-tape yung mga kamukha ko. Nice. Ano namatay? Paano namatay? Wala na akong oxygen.
This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels.
Okay. Napakang yan. Yan na. Okay. Sumaga na. Gabi pa din. Oh no. What is this? Oh my gulay. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Saan? Oh no! What are we going to do? Uy, may bomb siya sa ano nyo. May bomb siya sa kanyang Tignan nyo. Okay, everyone, calm down. Yun may bomb siya sa ano. Uy, wag ka. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save Faisal GG, bro. Let's go. May siya. Wait, baka may scissors dyan. Yun, nice one. Save niyo siya. Which cable? Ay, bahala kayo dyan. Di ko alam, bro. I don't know, bro. Bro, di ko alam, bro. Gawin mo naman tama. I will cut the rail. Uy, wala akong sinasabi. Uy, pag sumabog yan, di ko kasalanan yan. Di ko kasalanan yan. Di ko kasalanan yan. Di ako nagdesisyon yung character ko, pero ayoko talaga, di ko kasalanan yan. It didn't make we have to keep going trying to survive. Oo nga, sayang, seatmate ko pa naman yun. Seatmate ko pa naman yun. Ay, nasa na yun ano? Dito yun eh, ito yun, no. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Alright. Sigmam 70, what the heck? SBSB 52. Anong klase mga pangalan ko? I found them. They are unconscious. Weh? Nandito ka eh. Dun sila nandito ka. Nandun sila nagdadrive eh. We need to alert the cabin quickly get to know. Andun sila nagdadrive. Nandun ka. Tapos na ano mo. Paano mo na ano yan? You crazy bro. Ito, nandito sa... Tapos nandun ka. Paano mo na ano yun? You're crazy man. You are crazy. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble.
Okay.
This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up. Saan? Paano namin kasi wala akong lang pa. Napaka mo, ikaw na lang lahat lagi nakakahanap ah. Napaka nyo, ang daya-daya mo. So next. Pwede na yan. Nice. Nabuksan na ni sino man yun. Uy! Nandito siya guys. It's the creature! Yo! You will pay for what you've done. Ang ginawa ko. Uy, wala ako dyan Baka sila, may ginawa sila. Lalo na to mukhang yun eh. Mas naman tao. Nakakawata yun eh. I brought you here. All of you. Ginawa ko. May tournament talk sa ibang buto. That is not possible.
That is not possible.
To, tara, kawain natin to. It is. Anong it is? And now, time to die. Oh na. I think kaabulin niya kami. Feeling ko lang. Ipaabulin. At nandito sila. Dito din ako. Kamukha ko naman yun nandito. See you in the afterlife. Okay. Ano to?
The captain is unconscious. The plane is falling. What are we going to do?
Ako na lang pag-drive nyo, bro. I will drive this, bro. I can get you all home to safely.
We need to find the autopilot button.
Pala ka dyan. Tagdalin natin pa. Saan baka nandito? Puro green to eh.
Click everything and find that button before we die.
Puro Puro green to eh, oh. Paano namin malalaman yan? Click everything, man. Click everything. Bilisan nyo. Nice.
I found the button.
Nice. We're safe, man. We're safe, dog. We're safe.
We did it. We saved the plane.
Nice one.
We did. It has been a very crazy flight.
Yeah, that's true.
I just want to be home already.
Ako din, man. Hindi ko lang kung paano nga ako napunta dito eh.
Okay.
Uy, umalis ka nga dito. Ako nanonood dito sa view. Oh, ang ganda ng view. Puro buwan. Ay, puro star. Nasa space ba ako? Oo nga, nasa space nga ako. Ano yun?
Oh, just find the emergency phone so we can go for help.
Kaya na dyan. Ayoko. Tinatamad ako. Yun, nasa space ako. Airplane ba to? Ba't pa-box to? Uy, hindi. Pag ganyan yung airplane, hindi balance yan. Kasi tiga mo naman yung pa-box, tas wala dito. Di, pag babaligtad yan.
What happened? Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Bahala ka.
Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
Yeah. I'm okay. Yes, we are. Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Baka magpag-drive tayo nito kasi I have a bad feeling about this.
Okay, we trace your location and we are taking control.
Let's go. Let's go.
There is one last task I have for you. Someone is
Yes, ako dapat yan, men. Ako dapat yan. Eh, diyan kayo. Ba't kayo dyan napunta? Eh, di ba?
find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain.
Ako yan, men. Ako yan. Ako yan, men. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Siyempre, saseryosohin ko to. I will not kill you, everyone. I will take this seriously. Yeah, let's go. I got you guys. Gusto niyo nang makauwi? Okay, everyone, I got this. Okay, gusto niyo na makauwi? Papauwiin ko kayo. Let's go. Di ko to lolo kasi mga kamukha ko yung dalawa. Tapos yung isa random. Doy, umalis ka nga sa mukha ko. Napakaloko na ito. Nice.
Oh no, it's back.
Mwahaha. You humans are funny. Eddie, wow. Sa naglalag ako, your destiny has already been written. No? Oy, pula mata. Last chance, 11 seed. Okay, last chance. Na. Underworld curtain, na. No, of course not. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. That's what I'm supposed to do, bro. You humans are so weak. Hindi kami weak, man. We're just basic human decencies yun, bro. Ay, hindi. That is the last time you see. This is not the last time. Ano yun? Common sense. Common sense yun kasi ayaw namin mampay. So, yeah. I'm saving everyone. It's gone. Yan, napakasipon to. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. Oh, what did he mean? Oh no! Who cares? Yeah, who cares? Let's get back home na. Yeah, who cares about him, bro? I'm about to throw up. Same, bro. Never mind dito.
Let's go.
Let's go! You survived airplane! Victory! Victory! So, yeah, let's go! Bam! So, doon ka na nga pala guys at tapusin ang laro. At sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo. Kung nga nag-enjoy nga kayo, ay sana naman mag-subscribe na kayo. Bye-bye! This is me from the future is nalimutan ko sabihin, mag-comment na lang kayo kung gusto nyo pa ng part 2 na yun kasi may airplane 1, 2, 3, 4 yun. You know, comment nyo na lang kung gusto nyo pa. Kung gusto nyo laruin ko yung part 2. So, yun lang. Bye-bye! See you next video.